Hey everyone, back to my channel. This is 5351. I remember in a recent video I was talking about how I was wearing a t-shirt and it's nice when we have a snowstorm coming. Well, we got it. If you guys want to see this, this is what we get here in Colorado. So that's my truck. That's one side of my driveway. I'm still working on the other side, which is right here. And as you can tell, it's pretty deep. Yeah, this is what we get in Colorado. So Texas, we got you beat. Same thing, Matt from Demo. Right now I can also see it's about mid-thigh right here. If you come down, it's right about here. That's almost to my neck. And I'm almost 6 feet tall. So this is what I'm doing tonight. I'm digging out so we can go to work tomorrow. So yeah, fun times, guys. This is Colorado. One day, warm enough to wear a t-shirt. Next day, you get that. A crap ton of snow. Alright guys, hope you like, subscribe, share, comment. But this is a workout. Luckily some of my neighbors, shout out to around us, that kind of came by and helped me, or helped us with the driveway. But I still got to dig out all the rest of that, which is taller than my snow shovel, if you can see it. Yeah. Fun times. Alright guys, have a good one. We'll survive this, and we'll be back with you with another video. I gotta go back to shoveling. Have a good one. Have a good night. Bye.